Okay, so today we're unboxing the PS5 Pro after it's been out since 2024 November last year. So basically 10 months later since it's been released. You want to start with the disk drive first?
Yeah. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
pull it up so yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh shit, boy. This is not like the other boxes. Okay, I think I got the one. Okay, no.
Clear the box.
No, yeah.
I'll just put it there.
Not again. I don't know. Oh,
Yeah,
it's on the bottom. Okay.
I think that part slides out. Yeah.
It's complicated now.
So what you get inside the box?
See? What's this?
Okay, so that's the plate then.
Seems like it.
Mm.
I'm just gonna put that there.
I don't even notice it's got these PlayStation
Yeah, the buttons.
logos, yeah. So that's like part of the feature grouping.
There's the booklet.
Yeah, that has to be
Cute.
standard. Anything else here in my way?
I got this, which is not sure. So it's this. Oh, yeah.
It looks like the feet, but I mean, I think inside the box you get you get a set of that, so it looks like a space set. You can just put it there.
It's A's.
Yeah, it's feet to make it stand vertically, I think. Yeah, that's the actual drive, so it's like a plug and play.
Oh my
Yeah.
So yeah.
And so it makes it plug and play this, yeah.
Yeah. So
Mm.
you can see.
Mm.
It
Yeah.
feels a bit heavy though.
Yeah, I got it at Games for You.
Okay. Oh,
Get out of the way. And the controller.
let me just like
Yeah.
take the tape off it though. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a like stuff. Oh snap. Okay.
Yeah, you can just put it there.
Okay, that's it.
And the controller was on special at where was it now again? House and Home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Not this
Like
one?
400, 300 rand cheaper than
It was 400 rand cheaper.
yeah.
Okay, got it.
I don't think there's anything else here in.
Nope. Not that I've noticed.
Another book.
Booklets and booklets. Okay.
Comes in a nice pouch also. That is packaging obviously.
Cute.
Yeah. Push the PlayStation button, see what goes on. There's some juice in there. Oh,
No, there is actually
okay.
though.
Okay.
What happened to the purple lights?
It disappears.
Oh.
I think here at the back with some of them, yeah, you need to like zoom in. You can see like what they say. There's like the X, the O, the triangle, and that like as a gripping pattern.
Not sure.
Now we can put that aside.
I just like wanted to put it like back inside this.
You can just give me the boxes. Yeah.
Okay. Let me put it plastic.
Yeah, then pull it off. You want some?
Okay, so we got the PS5 variant.
It's WWE 2K24, the one with Cody Rhodes on the cover.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Why is it always plastic?
And that was bought at Games for You.
This is not fun. We've used that long time ago.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, use a Hebrew. Okay.
Just got a poke out.
Okay, I'll just do it this way. This is so not fun.
There you go. And you just pull it off.
Okay, so.
Yeah, just close the wrapper, then you can open the cover.
I know.
Otherwise, this might fall out. Yeah, I just got the game just to test the dust drive. Make sure it's working properly.
You can keep that. So, it's the game.
You just open it. Ah.
Oh, the disc is already laying one side.
Yeah.
Laying on one side.
That one side. Now for the
And now is the big ass box.
main attraction. There you go. Sharp nails.
That's even better. No shit.
I think you gotta put it on the side.
I'm might have to want to pull the box.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to come around.
Yeah, so you're just gonna show how the box looks.
Big box.
And then the other side. Yeah, this is the model version that came out just before the 7121, I believe. So it looks like Sony's gonna make some revision when it comes to the chipset. Because just pulling the box out. They actually pull it sleeve. Can you manage?
You're gonna have to pull the back part. And I just keep the back part.
Oh, we'll take the sleeve. So yeah, the sticker here.
Sticker. What is the sticker for?
Show them the sticker.
Must like a 1 year warranty.
Yeah, I don't know what's from this purchase.
Okay, let's see. 1 year purchase.
See what I told you about the feet.
Oh, it's the same.
Yeah.
We got 2 A's again. Oh my gosh.
So it looks like you get spare ones when you buy the dust drive.
Kinda cute.
And that's yeah, it's a power cable.
Yeah.
Looks like they wrapped it with recyclable material.
Feels like wood.
Looks like it also.
Okay. I'm gonna side by side. Because hey, extra phone charger.
If you got, but it's actually the control, so if you got a USB Type-C, but you can actually charge your phone through the PlayStation, and it's an HDMI. I don't know if that's a 2.1. Yeah, because then because on this site it says that you can play 8K gaming at like 60 frames. But these days there's TVs that have like 144 hertz. Another
And then you
controller.
get your other controller. It doesn't look a different color though. Is there still juice in
Yeah, there's juice in that one also. I think they have to when they send it to you, there's probably maybe 1 or 2 battery bars there on.
Okay, let's see next.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
gosh.
think it's a 5-volt battery. What else we got there?
Seems like we got a booklet. Oh, booklets. Yeah, booklets and booklets.
Okay, so this looks like it's like for accessories.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you got your quick start guide and safety guide.
And the thick one is the one that's in all languages.
I think it is. Oh my god. Why is this so heavy to get out.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah. You're gonna have to like get it come around and out. I'm just gonna do
You can just lay it flat gently.
damn, it's fingered.
They have to dust in it. Okay, so that's the console.
It was heavier than me. Oh, damn. That's what it does.
So that's the PS5 Pro unboxing.
There's a button box. It's so cute.
You see how the back looks by the peripherals? Okay, so you've got, I think it's 2 times USB 3.0 HDMI, and you've got your power, and then you've got a landline, so no optical sound for like Adobe and that, and Adobe Atmos and that. Okay.
Yeah, just a button.
Yeah, that's for where the rotation stand, but a lot of people they were skeptical of the cooling material that they use in there. That's liquid metal. So because they think if you let it stand upright, it's gonna somehow slow down. But what they did with the PS5 Pro, they installed like a ridges on the cooling block, so it falls inside that grooves, just so it can grip and cool it better.
Not bad.
But the original one, when it came out in 2020, it didn't have that ridges there in, so a lot of people complained that it would like leak out, because what they did was they added a gasket around there also, so it would short circuit other parts, which was it's just one of those things that PlayStation do, and then they correct it afterwards. Why are you wrapping it back in?
Safety measures?
Okay. So I believe this cover just comes off. I've never done this before. Felt almost like I broke something there. Oh, it did clip out. I've seen a lot of people just eat it down or something like that. Be gentle. Okay. This is like basically easy to break. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people snap it off.
How breakable?
No, I mean it's got a nice curve and that to it, but I've seen a lot of people snap the you see this plastic,
Yeah.
Yeah, they snap that off. Yeah, so what you do with the drive, they say it just clips in, so it's like a plug and play. Connect it to it on the front, so okay, I think it snapped into place or not. Okay, it feels like it's in there, and then you just snap the cover on. I believe you have to clip it at the back first. And there you go. Just making sure everything is snapped in. There you go, you've got a PlayStation 5 Pro with a disk drive on. Like I noticed something different now. If you look at the feet, whatever you want to call it, this was the ones that was included with the disk drive. If you look at it, it's basically taller.
Bigger.
Exactly. So these small ones that comes with the PS5 Pro, this is what you need for when you operating it without the disk drive, when it's just a fully digital console. And so it makes sense why they included this, because I didn't pick that up until now only. And I haven't seen anybody else explain as to why, or seen them show this feat and why is it possible, basically, why they included it. Okay, so we just need to plug in the cable. Yeah, so the power cable goes that way in. Yeah, it only goes one way in.
Okay.
And then I got myself a braided HMI, because I just feel like there's less interference, so you probably get the best out of your gaming and your screening time. First startup of the PS5 Pro with disk drive installed.
Ooh, that's purple.
Yeah, it turns blue.
That's purple.
So, are you sure it's purple? From here it looks blue. And then they say it goes white.
Yeah.
Unless you may be colorblind.
Purple's my favorite color. I see purple in everything.